What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking L. We're getting ready for William Nylander, RPA to Cup Res. I really don't want to res it, but I got my eyes set on a bigger card for my PC. So I know this card's going to go up in value throughout this year. I got a feeling, but hopefully it goes to a good home here. So best of luck, folks. Really nice card up for grabs. I'll get this out on next mail they tracked. Make sure it gets to you in one piece. 9:13 on the clock. We got Allen. Down to Allen. Top name. After 4 randoms, gets the William Nylander card. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, and the timestamp. Third timestamp on the Raz is at 9:13. 9:13 it is. We're on our last and final. Top name takes it home, and we have Allen, spot 5. There you go, brother. Spot 5 done it for you. Coming home to you. Fourth and final timestamp says 9:14 this time, and 9:14 it is. So congratulations again. After 4 randoms, we got Allen on top of the list with spot 5, and if I'm not mistaken, I think spot 5 was the very first one taken. Besser took 7, and yeah, Allen took 5. So there you go. That's going to be the winner, guys. Appreciate you filling this one up. Usually I'm running res for other people. They're not usually for me, so I do appreciate you guys filling this one up. Thanks again, and don't forget, go big or go home.